Good boy. Good job.
November 24th this year is Black Friday, and we are taking that day and making it into a really fun adoption event. We're calling it Black Furday, and essentially every animal will have their adoption fee waived. They don't actually have to have a speck of black fur on them. We're pretty generous with that. You know, they've got a black toe, a black nose, a black pupil, any sort of black on them, but we're making it a fun event. So all of our adoption fees will be waived on all animals on Black Furday, and that's for dogs, cats, and small animals. And we have a lot of small animals: rabbits, guinea pigs, ferrets. We have a lot of mice right now. We might have reptiles like snakes or bearded dragons, and all of their adoption fees will be entirely waived. That adoption fee includes a lot of really great medical stuff that the animal will already have done, including their spay and neuter surgery. They'll be microchipped, they'll have all age-appropriate vaccinations, so they are ready to go home with you on Black Furday.
Friends of the Fairfax County Animal Shelter is the fundraising partner for our county shelter. So we provide support to the shelter beyond what the county's budget can provide. One way that we do that is by sponsoring events such as Black Furday, allowing all of the adoption fees to be waived. Friends is so excited to be sponsoring this event. We look forward to seeing so many people the day after Thanksgiving, and we look forward to doing this for many years to come.